Hey there, weight-conscious viewers! Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover 20 incredible foods that can aid you in your weight loss goals. These nutrient-packed choices will nourish your body and support your path to a healthier you. Let's dive into the world of weight loss-friendly foods. Let's get started. Number 1. Leafy greens. Kickstart your list with leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them an excellent addition to any weight loss journey. Number 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Next up, cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are packed with fiber and essential vitamins, promoting fullness and supporting healthy digestion. Number 3. Lean proteins. Lean proteins are your weight loss allies. Incorporate chicken, turkey, fish, and tofu into your meals, as they help preserve muscle mass and keep you feeling satisfied. Number 4. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes are fiber powerhouses. Enjoy black beans, lentils, and chickpeas for a satisfying and protein-rich addition to your diet. Number 5. Whole grains. Opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats, which are nutrient-dense and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Number 6. Berries. Berries are nature's sweet treats. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are low in calories and high in antioxidants, supporting your overall well-being. Number 7. Avocados. Embrace the creaminess of avocados. They're packed with healthy fats, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Number 8. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse. Choose plain, low-fat options to enjoy a creamy and nutritious snack. Number 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds provide a crunchy boost. Almonds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds offer healthy fats and satiety. Number 10. Salmon. Salmon is a superstar. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it supports heart health and can help curb cravings. Number 11. EGGS. Eggs are a complete protein source and a great addition to your weight loss journey. They keep you feeling full and provide essential nutrients. Number 12. Soup. Including soups in your meals can help reduce calorie intake. Opt for broth-based or vegetable soups for a satisfying and low-calorie option. Number 13. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it can help with weight loss too. Apples are high in fiber and water content, promoting satiety. Number 14. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is rich in protein and low in calories. It's a perfect snack or addition to salads. Number 15. Watermelon. Stay hydrated with watermelon. It's refreshing, low in calories, and the high water content aids in curbing hunger. Number 16. Cauliflower rice. Swap out rice for cauliflower rice. It's a low-carb and nutrient-packed alternative to traditional rice dishes. Number 17. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a satisfying and nutritious choice. They're rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Number 18. Greek yogurt parfait. Indulge in a delightful Greek yogurt parfait with layers of berries and nuts for a balanced and tasty treat. Number 19. Green tea. Green tea is known for its metabolism-boosting properties. Enjoy it as a beverage to complement your weight loss efforts. Number 20. Chicken salad with veggies. Create a filling and delicious chicken salad with an array of colorful veggies for a nutritious and satisfying meal. If you found this list helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and nutrition content. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video. Best wishes on your path to a healthier and happier you.